Dear students, now I am going to teach you the topic analog to digital converter ADC. Right? So analog input can be converted into digital output. Okay. See, this is analog to digital converter. Analog input will be given, digital output is obtained. Okay. There are two signals: start of conversion and end of conversion. Start of conversion, it is used to start the conversion process. End of conversion, it is used to indicate the conversion process is over. Right? Here we are going to study successive approximation converter and flash type converter. See, successive approximation converter, here it consists of successive approximation register, digital to analog converter, then operational amplifier. Okay, and this is the 8-bit converter. Digits are from D1 to D8, right? So 8 clock pulses are required to complete the conversion process, right? So initially the analog input is given, right? After that start of conversion is given. Okay, so after giving the start of conversion, here the conversion process will be started by making this D1 bit as 1. So the bit will be 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, then that value, that digital value will be converted into analog by the help of digital to analog converter, so which is VD, right? That VD is given to non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier. Okay, already analog input is given. Now VA and VD both are compared if VA is greater than VD. Okay, if this is greater than this value means output will be 1. The comparator output will be 1. Okay, if the output is 1, that 1 will be as it is. Okay, this bit will be as it is, and it will make the next bit as 1. Okay, so the digit will be 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, after that the same process will be done, right? So that digital will be converted into analog output, then which is given to operational amplifier. Okay, right? Now both will be compared. Okay, so VA and VD will be compared. Now also VA is greater, is it not? So output will be 1, right? If the output is 1, the digit same, that digit will be as it is. It will make the next digit as 1. Okay, after that here this value will be converted into analog, which will be available here. Now these two will be compared. Okay, so VA and VD will be compared. Now which one is greater? VD is greater. Okay, so if VD is greater, so what SAR will do? So it will change that 1 as 0, then make the next bit as 1. Okay, got it? So because in this case VD is greater, so the output is 0. That's why it is changing the bit 1 to 0 and making the next bit as 1. Right? The process will be repeated until it is getting the output. Okay, here the output is 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is the output, digital output. Okay, next one is flash type or direct type ADC or parallel comparator ADC. Okay, see here. So here it consists of the operation amplifier, 8-line to 3-line priority encoder. Okay, so here the analog input is given, the digital output will be obtained. Okay, see here there are 3 cases. So if VA is greater than VD, so X is equal to 1. VA is less than VD, X is equal to 0. VA is equal to VD, the previous value will be maintained. Okay, see here. So here the reference voltage will be given. Here the analog input voltage will be given. Okay, and see, input voltage is between 0 to VR by 8. 0 to VR by 8 means, okay, so X naught will be 1. Okay, so this bit will be 1, right? Then the input is from VR by 8 to VR by 4. VR by 8 to VR by 4 means the next digit also will become 1. Okay, so similarly VR by 4 to 3 VR by 8 means X2 will be 1. Okay, so the same process will be done up to 7 by 7 VR by 8 to VR. Got it? And here the corresponding output will be 0002 111. Right? Right? So according to the analog input, the digital output will be obtained from this 8 line to 3 line priority encoder. Okay? Thank you.